YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Joneses and welcome back to the channel once again. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. And if you've been here before, y'all already know what time it is, man. I got some heat and I ain't gonna lie, I feel like it's been a hot minute since I've recorded and uploaded. I don't know why, but it just feels like it's been a little while. But y'all know I'm coming in hot, real hot today. And we got a couple pickups I'm pretty happy about. Well, I'm actually really happy about. One is, I remember I had one of these way back in middle school, and I'm sorry, I didn't have them. My boy Thomas had them, and I was like, yo, I want to get those now. So I finally picked them up, and yeah, I'm excited. But like I said, giveaway still going on. In the next video, I will be announcing the winners for the gift card and the t-shirt. So make sure you stay tuned, make sure you're entered, make sure you sub to my channel, make sure you got post noties on, and you know, make sure y'all are commenting, talking to your boy. I respond to all comments. You don't believe me? Go check out the past comments. But anyways, man, let's get right into it. So the first shoe, let's start with we're definitely gonna start with the bottom. So this shoe right here, we got a retro 5, and I've always dig 5s. Like, some people don't like 5s, and I can see why, because like the newer 5s, they're like super bulky, and I don't like that. That's one thing I don't like about my Fire Red 5s, and the leather on those also is like it's like really buttery, but like it creases super easy. So I haven't worn them yet, but this pair right here is sick. These are the Oreo 5s, and y'all listen, if you want to get a pair of shoes, go check out Goat's used section. You can get them a lot cheaper than getting a brand new pair. You can get them in there pretty much brand new, but let's go ahead and look at these. So I've already took these out, I've already laced them, and as you can see, as always, keep it on us. But let's get one of these shoes out. So these shoes right here, they're nasty. Like, this is one of my favorite colorways, especially in the 5s. This is the Oreo 5s, and look at them. Like, I bought these are used now. Look at them, look how great condition they are. No marks on them. The suede is just in great shape. Barely any yellowing. Like the ends right here, there's no yellowing. The soles are still icy blue. On the bottoms, you can see that little bit of yellowing like in here. But these, I'm pretty sure whoever had these, they did not wear them, and I got them for like $160, which is insane. But barely any yellowing on these. But let's get into some of the details. So we got a white midsole, and then we got the I always forget what this is called. They're not called wings, they're called something else. I don't know. Comment, let me know what they're called. But we got it in black, and then it's got a white speckle up in there, and then we got a white midsole with the icy blue bottom. And I love icy blue bottoms, man. It just complements this shoe a lot, especially black shoes. But then on the toe, we got a little black outsole right here, just to cover this part with the white outsole. And then we got the air bubble, and then we got this nice suede, beautiful suede upper, black suede upper, and it's just insanely beautiful. Like, suede is nice and alive, and that's one thing I love about suede. And also we got the translucent inner right here, and this is a sick colorway. We got white lining, and this is where you can tell they're used, because on the inside, I don't know how well y'all can see it, but like you can see like sock lint. So they're probably worn a couple times, and I would say literally a couple times. But we got some white lining in here, white fabric, and then we got the Air Jordan on the tongue, and also we got the Jordan logo in like grayish silver right here on the tongue. But they also come with this clear lace lock. I like that about the 5s. They come with the lace lock, and on the back we have I think it's white, I don't know if it's white or silver, but a white Jordan logo right here on the back, the Jumpman. And then we got some black eyelets. I don't know how well you guys can see those black plastic eyelets, but I like doing this double lacing, like the 2 color laces. I think it's sick. It looks good, and it just complements the shoe a lot. I didn't know, like, a lot of shoes, I don't know what color laces I want to put in them. And I put white laces in here, and I was just kind of iffy, and I was like, it looks good, but at the same time, I just feel like it's not it. So I just put both of them in here, and there's a lot of lace holes on these shoes, so it worked out pretty well. I think it looks good. Let's get the other shoe out so you can see it. And there's also a black insole in there. Let's get the other shoe out so you can see how I have the other shoelace. It's flipped, but same thing. Everything's the same on this shoe. It has the Air Jordan on the tongue in there. But you see on this shoe, I have white going into black laces, and then on this shoe, I have black going into white laces. So I think it looks good. These are fire. Like, this is the shoe my boy Thomas had, and I remember in middle school, or not middle school, high school, like sophomore year, he had them, and he was letting me try them on. And well, he was letting me try on all his shoes, and we were like having a little photo shoot, and he was taking pictures of me and all his shoes, and I had no drip back then. I'm gonna put a little picture right here so you can see, but there was no drip at all. And I just threw them on, but they look good back then, and they look good now, and I'm glad I have them because I need a black shoe like this, a black and white shoe that I can wear with a lot of stuff. And these are perfect. But yeah, we got the Oreo 5s. These are sick. Like, one of my favorite 5s, probably my favorite 5. Maybe the grapes. Those top 3 5s are also about to come out, and I will be getting those, so stay tuned so you can see them. And if you haven't already, drop a like, leave a comment, talk to your boy. Like I said, if you're enjoying the content, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 400 subs, so y'all get me there. But anyways, we got Oreo 5s. These are sick, one of my favorite 5s. And let's get to the next shoe. Now, this next shoe right here, y'all know this box is a Jordan 1 box, but this is no ordinary Jordan 1 box. So if I flip it up, y'all see we got the lid right here, and I don't want to lift it up because I don't want y'all to see what shoe it is. I want y'all to get caught by surprise, but this is an OffWhite Air Jordan 1, and this is probably, in my opinion, the best colorway out of all the off-whites. I think this is the best, the off-white ones. This is the best colorway y'all have seen. I've had the NRGs, the all white, triple white, whatever you want to call them. I had that pair on my channel, and I love those. Like, those are one of my favorites. But this pair right here is probably the best. So let's just stop talking. So, like I said, we got the flat, lift it up. You got that clear see-through screen right here, and then as always, y'all know I keep them on me. Come on, man. I don't know why I still show y'all once again. I say that all the time, and I still continue to show y'all anyways. But let's get this shoe out. So we got that OffWhite Air Jordan paper right here, or OffWhite for Nike, Air Jordan 1, Beaverton, Oregon, 1985 paper right here, or plastic right here to cover up the shoes. And these are so nasty. I've already laced them up, and I look at them over and over. I just keep looking at them, and they're just sick. Like, this is my favorite. I think they look the best. This is my favorite out of all of them. So let's get this shoe out. And here we have the OffWhite UNCs. I'm gonna just let y'all chill and look at that for a second. Let me get the other shoe out too. Y'all just chill and look at these for a second. Y'all see how I got them laced? I told y'all I love doing the double lacing, but they come with 3 pair of laces, white, orange, and then this blue right here. So if you get these, you'll have an extra pair of laces. And I love how all these shoes are starting to come with all these different color laces, because I have other shoes that I want to put these color laces in. So it's pretty cool. But let's go ahead, let's dive into the shoe. One second, let me get the box out the way. So here we have the OffWhite 1 UNCs, and these are just nasty. Like, this is the best. I think this is the best colorway by far. This is probably not by far, but it's the best colorway to me, at least. I think it looks the best. Just the highlights, the Carolina blue and the orange and the white just go together so well. And I'm glad they gave us the orange laces with them. But let's get into the details of the shoe. So y'all have seen before, we got that oversized swoosh, and it's like detached, giving it that, like, I don't know if it's like an unfinished look. I forget what they called it, but it's like a not completely structured look. But then we got the air text right here. We got some suede, or the backside of leather. I always think it's suede, but it's like the backside of leather. I don't know how well you see it, but if you've seen a pair, you know what I'm talking about. But then we got this like whitish off-white eggshell midsole right here with the Carolina bottom. Y'all see we got that Nike right here. We got this the Air Jordan 1 track pad. And then on the inside, we have that same passage right here, Off-White Air Jordan 1, Off-White for Nike, Beaverton, Oregon, 1985. We got the little orange patch right here. We got the white wings logo, and these are just nasty. They come with the red zip tie, which surprised me. Like, I've already seen them before, but I still don't understand why a red zip tie, because I have this one. This one goes with my Blazers, but this powder blue, I don't know, or the NRG one, the all white, they come with like Carolina color zip tie, so I don't understand why they did that. But hey, I'm not knocking it. I like it. I think it's cool. I think it's dope. But this shoe is just crazy hard. And the one thing I like about them most is that you can't really crease these. So let me show y'all. So they have like, this is not like a normal fabric. This is like a plasticky mesh. So you can't really crease it. So you can walk however you want in these. I know some of y'all be buying shoes and you be walking funny to keep from creasing, but this, you don't have to worry about creasing them. But yeah, these were definitely a pretty penny. We also got that made in China tag right here. And it's just a sick shoe. Like I said, as always, Virgil is just, he's always in his bag. Like, no matter what, Virgil is in his bag going crazy. And he went bananas on these. We got that off-centered, or not off-centered, that offset Nike Air on the tongue. And the tongue is like oversized. It's bigger than a normal Jordan tongue with that kind of like lightish blue tint to it. And these are just, they're nasty. Got the 85 on the inside. And this is just one of my favorite shoes right here. This, and I'm going to wear these. A lot of people were like, because I posted them on my Snapchat for people to see, and people were like, you better not wear those, blah, blah, blah. Like, I buy shoes to wear them. So these will get worn, I promise you. But this is just, these are so nasty. My size, we got some Carolina lining, and I don't even know, like, I'm speechless because I never expected to have these. Like, the first time I saw these, I saw Odell wearing them, and Odell was rocking the hell out of them with the orange laces, which is another reason why I put the orange laces in here, because I saw Odell wearing them with the orange laces. And on top of that, I love how the orange laces go. Like, they go perfect with this shoe. But y'all see how I'm rocking the white to orange and then the orange to white on this shoe. I just think it's dope. And this one has like a more loose laced look than this one. This one's all laced up like a normal Jordan 1, how I would normally lace. But I love these shoes and I can't wait to wear them. I haven't worn them yet, and I'm just waiting for the right time to wear them. But that's all we got for today, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. Like I said, we got Oreo 5s, we got Off-White UNCs. Giveaway is still live. In the next video, I will be announcing the winners. So make sure you sub up. We're almost at 400 subscribers. Make sure you hit that sub button, please. It helps me out. Also hit that like button. That helps me out a tremendous lot. It may seem so simple, but it helps out a lot. And then, like I said, leave a comment. Talk to your boy. I'm always in. I be chilling on my phone all the time, answering comments, talking to people, having conversations. So make sure you go do that. But like I said, y'all know me. If you've been here before, you know it's your boy Joneses. I stay drip. Peace.
Funny, while I'm chasing the money, this bitch tryna play me like dummy. Hop on that dick like a bunny, yeah. Hop on that dick like a bunny, yeah. Stuffing the blues in my pockets, yeah, pockets. I'm tryna take off like the Rockets, yeah, Rockets. Tryna take off like the Rockets, yeah. I'm tryna take off like the Rockets, yeah. Make mama proud. I got the shit came from the ground. These pussy nigga not allowed, counting me out, I guess they can't count. But I'ma shit on niggas now, yeah. I'ma shit on these niggas right now, yeah. I been fuck that bitch, you bugging. Passing that bitch, soccer, rugby. Passing that bitch. I want a bitch that's gonna stay down and love me. And she gonna love me. Young nigga turning nothing to something. Yeah. She in love with the digger, she turned to a junkie. Swerving the jigs, watching for undies. Counting the change while I chop down an onion. Yeah. You can't come in this room here unless you fucking. Yeah. You can't come in this room here unless you fucking. Yeah. I get a chopper on me. Do you want it? Do you want it? I'm breaking that bitch back till the morning. Till the morning. Can't fuck with these niggas, they cops. That nigga a bitch like his pop. She give me top.